What a great zoom in, ain't it? Yeah. I can't see you. There, we have the homeless Aquaman. He got dropped off for DC. Oh! So his dad said, what's up? He's eating a burger, so his fat ass can't talk. It's so humid out here, I can't even see through the camera.
We're afraid that this is gonna sparkle the car and go on fire.
Sparkle the car? No. Oh my Jesus Christ. America. Hey, there, you could try this one. This lighter might be sucky, but I don't know if he's gonna get it together. There, you think you got it together? No, that one takes time. I don't know if he's gonna get both at the same time. Oh, you're not gonna make it! Ooh. He's not gonna make it! He's not gonna make it, dude. Get out the way, Diego! Another one, round two. Round two. Now we go! Oh, shoot! It shoots! Bro, you might want to back up. It shoots. Oh my goodness gracious golly. That's not it. Fucking hell, bugs and everywhere, man. Oh, no. That is a death causer right there. Not it? No, that's it. On a scale of 1 to 10, Dio, how much you rate that? It's too damn dark.
7. Whoa.
Oh, damn, it's blurry again.
Yeah.
7. Oh, gosh. Oh, you're flicking on my face like you're a damn fly. You Aquaman lookalike. Ow! Holy moly, look at that one. Goodness gracious golly.
Hey!
This is so big. It's not gonna end well. Holy. Oh! America! Aint to the USA, baby! Okay, so sparky, goddammit! Yeah! Woo! 4th of July and America, yeah!
Wow. My ear.
You're deaf now?
Maybe.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Now that looks interesting, doesn't it, guys? Wow. Oh my. Holy Jesus. Oh! Might want to back up for this one. Oh! That's it. No way, that's it. Oh, look at them, they're doing sparklers. Oh no, oh! And maybe he thought he was dead, but it ain't. Come for the second round. Blasting. Whoa! That just made me lay down. Oh my goodness.
What, more?
More! Jesus! Another one. No?
That was so good.
Tell me about it. That was all the fireworks. I wasn't expecting that one to be the climactic one, but damn. That was like one climactic one. Happy 4th of July, y'all. America!
Why are we still here?
180 and kick you in the balls.